Concerns over a new set of criminal justice reforms to combat crowded jails in New York.
Starting January 1st, most people accused of low-level crimes will be released. CBS News' Jenna DeAngelis live in the St. George section of Staten Island with more. Jenna?
Well, Chris and Mary, there's no doubt this has been controversial, and a group of district attorneys and law enforcement officials plan to meet here at the Staten Island District Attorney's Office today to voice their concerns about the state's new bail and discovery reform laws. With the new year comes a new set of criminal justice reforms in New York. The changes come January 1st to eliminate cash bail and pretrial detention for most offenses. In other words, most accused criminals in New York will be released on just their signature. A professor at John Jay College further explained earlier this month on CBSN New York.
Almost all misdemeanors, except for some sex crimes and domestic violence cases, nonviolent felonies, and 2 violent felonies are no longer eligible for money bail.
The president of the Yonkers Police Union says while bail reform is well-intentioned and some in pretrial detention deserve to be released, he has concerns.
It's going to be having more criminals, specifically recidivists, people who commit crimes on a regular basis, on the streets available to commit more crimes.
The changes are to combat overcrowded jails. In New York City, defendants will be rewarded with perks such as Mets tickets, movie passes, and gift cards for showing up to court.
In a world where we want speedier trials and we want the justice system to work, if small incentives are part of what actually makes it work, then that's a smart policy.
Police Commissioner James O'Neill, on the other hand, has reservations.
We have to make sure that there are consequences for criminal behavior. And come January 1st, we're a resilient organization. We'll adapt, but I have real concerns.
Before the bail reform law takes effect, the state says nearly 900 city residents in jail could be released starting mid-December. The new laws also call for the prosecution to turn over evidence to the defense earlier in case proceedings. So today, the Richmond County District Attorney, acting Queens DA, along with members of the PBA and DEA, plan to gather here around 10 o'clock this morning. We're live in the St. George section of Staten Island. Jenna DeAngelis, CBS 2 News.
Jenna, thank you.